session we are gonna study about balanced chemical equation. What is balanced chemical equation? In the last session we have studied about chemical equation. Now what is chemical equation? Let me recap you something, that your A plus B is giving you the C. This is your chemical equation. Now what is balanced chemical equation is that your reactant should be equal to your product in mass as well. Like mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. It means your mass of A plus B should be equals to your C, because a mass can neither be destroyed, and it should be a balanced chemical equation. If suppose that your this weight is your 10 gram, then it should be also equals to your 10 gram. Now let me give you some more detail to it. Like see this is if the product is more. If product is more, then it is not balanced. If your reactant is more, then it is not balanced. It is balanced when your reactant is equals to your products, right? Next, see the example. Like what we have to do, first we have to what elements we are having, then numbers of it, and then balance it from left to right hand side. Like there is 3 numbers of carbon here, then it should be 3 numbers of carbon in the right hand side too. There is 8 numbers of your hydrogen in the left hand side, so there is 8 numbers of hydrogen in the right hand side too, right? Now let's do some practice about it, like how we are going to balance it. First, let me phrase you this, right? Now first write the elements of LHS, right? First write the elements you are having. So you are having aluminium 1, hydrogen 1, fluorine also 1. In the right hand side, aluminium is equals to 1, your hydrogen is equals to 2, and fluorine is equals to your 3. Now how we are gonna balance it? So we are gonna balance it first. See what is unbalanced. Your chlorine, we are starting with chlorine because chlorine is in 3 number, right? If I multiply by this to 3, it will get hydrogen also 3, but I am also having this. How can I multiply it by 3? Like अगर मैं इसे 3 से multiply करूँगी तो it will be getting 6, right? It is also getting your 6. So how I am gonna balance this? So first think about it, what should we have to multiply, right? If I am gonna multiply it by 2, okay, then what is happening in the right hand side? I multiply by aluminium 2, so this is also getting 2, but chlorine is getting 6, so I can simply multiply it by 6. So chlorine is 6, aluminium is 6. It means your chlorine is balanced, but your hydrogen is not balanced, so multiply it by 3. If I multiply it by 3, it is also 6. So this is balanced. Now aluminium is 2, so multiply it by 2. So aluminium is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, chlorine is balanced. Now okay, we can take one more example, like sodium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine. Sodium I am having 2, carbon I am having 1, oxygen I am having 3, hydrogen is 1, chlorine is also 1. On the right hand side, sodium is equals to 1, carbon is equals to 1, oxygen is equals to 3, hydrogen is equals to 2, chlorine is equals to your 1, 2. See this, oxygen is already balanced, carbon is also already balanced, so it means I have to just balance these. If first I am gonna multiply it by 2, see there is 2, so it is getting multiplied by 2 and it is balanced, but chlorine is also getting multiplied by 2, right? If I multiply by this 2 also, then it is also multiplied by 2 and this is also multiplied by 2. It means my sodium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine all are balanced, right? Now take some more example of it, right? What are the more example is I have taken another example in your wordings. Now hydrogen is supposed to write as H2, chlorine is supposed to write as Cl2, and hydrogen fluoride is your HCl. So this is your chemical equation. In the left hand side I am having hydrogen 1, chlorine also 1. In the right hand side I am having in the left hand side I am having 2 hydrogens and 2 chlorine, and in the right hand side I am having 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Simply multiply it by 2. Just multiply it by 2. It is balanced, right? Now in the next I am having sodium plus water is giving me sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Now in this, sodium is equals to 1, hydrogen is equals to 2, oxygen is equals to 1. Now in the right hand side I am having sodium is equals to 1, oxygen is equals to 1, hydrogen is equals to 3. So what I have to multiply it by the even number. Okay, now first NaOH I am multiplied by 2. So this is 2, oxygen is 2, right? And your hydrogen is basically 4. 1 plus it is getting 4. Now multiply H2O by 2. It is multiplied by 2. Now hydrogen is balanced, right? Now oxygen is also get multiplied by 2. So it is also already balanced. Now to balance sodium, just multiply it by 2 on the left hand side. Okay, this is how you balance the chemical equation, and this is all about a balanced chemical equation.